Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the introduction of the Hikvision WonderHub. My name is Sachin Srinivasan and I take care of the commercial display business in Middle East and Africa. So let's begin by introducing you to the WonderHub. Hikvision WonderHub. Touch, teach, wonder to reach. As a teacher, good lessons aren't easy. 1 in 3 students miss content due to poor visibility. Students have an 8-second attention span which is shorter than a goldfish. 49% of teachers face weekly tech disruptions in using the devices. As an IT staff, smooth operations aren't simple. 68% of the school lack remote device management tools of all the devices. 74% of the tech disruptions stems from system incompatibility. 3.2 hours are required to train per new device for each teacher. We all know a class well taught is a lesson well caught. Let's introduce you to our WonderHub, where Hikvision is committed to creating the simplest and the most intuitive interactive display, the smoothest and most reliable interactive display, the smartest and most engaging interactive display. Ultimately, an interactive display that breathes life into education. Let's have an overview of our interactive display, the Select series. So our Select series has got an 8-megapixel camera for video and a 48-megapixel camera for panoramic and telephoto. And it also has an 8-microphone array that can pick up the sound within 12 meters. It has got all the interfaces available that you need. It has got the HDMI interfaces, it has got the USB interfaces, it has got an RS-232 interface. It has also got a built-in loudspeakers. And more importantly, it has also got very convenient front panel buttons to operate the interactive display. Now, let's look at the appearance. Our interactive display has got a fantastic metal appearance which makes it look very elegant. We've got a very, very powerful hardware. It comes with 8-core CPU and it comes with the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD. It is built in with Android 14. It can be upgraded to Android 15 and it is Google EDLA certified. It also has a temperature and a humidity sensor, which automatically sense and displays the temperature and humidity in the room in real time. We also have very flexible installation that you can do for our interactive display. You can either put it on a wall or you can put it on a floor standing as you see it currently on this video. So now, let's look at the most important features of our Select series. Our Select series comes with the 8-megapixel camera. It comes with 8 microphone array and 3 speakers for giving you a multi-directional sound. It comes with Android 14. As I told you, it can be upgraded to Android 15. It comes with 6 TOPS NPU, which is the neural processing unit, and 8-core CPU to run education artificial intelligence application on system on chip. And more importantly, it comes with the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. It has also got a Wonder Seminar application built in. It has got the Wonder Intelligence built in. And more importantly, it comes with the Google Workspace suite. So as you see in 2022, when we came out with our interactive display, we had the operating system 1, which came with the basic tools to be used for meetings and classes. Then we upgraded the interactive display in 2023 and we made it easy to use with smooth touch, pen and natural interaction. And then in 2024, we came out with operating system 3 for seamless collaboration, for multiple user seamless collaboration in real time. And in 2025, we have come out with our operating system 4.0, which is completely AI powered, and it is AI optimized for classroom teaching. So let's look at our WonderOS 4.0 highlights. It comes with the next generation interaction. It comes with education themed user interface. It is built in with a Wonder intelligence called AOMI, which means you can actually speak to the interactive display and open any application that you want. It is also built in with Hyper Whiteboards 2.0. It is also built in with WonderCast for wireless casting, and it also is built in with the Wonder Seminar function. Now we have 20 plus built-in tools in the interactive display. The teacher can select, random select, and create a lucky draw. As you see here on the screen, the teacher can switch on the keyboard function, the spotlight function, the magnifier function, the piano function on the screen. Now let's look at the built-in tools, the 20 plus built-in tools that the interactive display has in detail. So we have the calculator function, we have the annotation function, we have the camera function, the stopwatch, and the freeze function. And then we also have the countdown function, the virtual remote, the lock screen, the screenshot, and the spotlight function. Then we also have the voting tool function, the recorder function, the file transfer, the metronome function, the magnifying glass function. We also have the calendar function, the random select function, the piano function, the black screen function, and finally, we also have the tactical board function for sports teachers in the schools related to basketball and football. Now let's talk about the artificial intelligence. Our Select series is built in with artificial intelligence. For example, when you look at this interactive display, we circled the picture of Mars. So after we circled the picture of Mars, we clicked on AI Identify. When you click on AI Identify, the AI searches for all the information related to the topic that we circled, and on the right side, it gives a complete detailed information about the image that we had circled. Yeah. Now let's talk about the AI Q&A. For example, as you see currently on this interactive display, we have written the Newton's first law. So we can speak to the Wonder Intelligence built in the interactive display and ask the Wonder Intelligence to create smart questions based on the Newton's first law. So by doing that, the Wonder Intelligence will bring out all the questions, which is either easy or moderate or difficult, and it will also give you the answers for all the questions. The Wonder Intelligence is also built in with the AI meeting recorder, and this records the meeting that happens in a meeting room. And once the meeting is done, the audio recording of the meeting is saved on the interactive display with the word-by-word account of what was spoken in the meeting. And the Wonder Intelligence built in the interactive display also identifies the word-by-word account by each speaker. Yeah, and then you also get the meeting summary. Isn't it so easy to use nowadays? And finally, I would say, wishing you all for some wonderful experiences with the Hikvision WonderHub.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good day, everyone. I'm Alifia Tahir, and like yourselves, teachers, I am an educator. I've been in this profession for over 15 years. Today, we'll explore a topic, but we'll do it a little differently. interactive screens have helped us teachers to enhance classroom engagement by making lessons more interactive, visual, and student-centric, which in today's time and age is really crucial because it helps our learners, and our learners expect it that way, that they have immersive, technological-driven experiences. As teachers, we're always looking out for ways to enhance our lessons, to keep the lessons flowing, students involved, and ideas visible. Along with ideas, we want differentiation, we want progress visible. And that's exactly where this interactive display, Hikvision WonderHub, supports our teaching. It helps us teach better without actually changing how we really teach. As we begin, all we need to do is simply log in. We can do that by using our Face ID, entering the password, tapping the NFC card or the USB. Teachers, use what works best for you, that suits your routine. You begin when you are ready, not when technology catches up. Here, I will use the password to log in. One of the features on this interactive display is what we can do is split the screen and we can have two applications running simultaneously. I can have my presentation running from OneDrive or Google Drive and at the same time use the whiteboard as well. Here the presentation is loading and here on this side is my whiteboard. I can change the screen size. Everything is readily available for us. We do not have to really stress about the laptop charging, not charging, HDMI cables missing, etc. We are going to be present in the class with our students without really stressing about things. Let's start by working on an idea together. On the whiteboard, I can write with two colors at the same time. I will enable the dual color writing mode. Select the two colors that I want, white and let's say yellow. This helps me write, for example, keywords in one color and examples or definitions in another, which helps us students instantly see the connection between the two. Teachers, let's explore a couple of tools on this whiteboard. We will be able to insert pictures, open a video, access documents, the resource library, and my favorite is the 3D shape. I'm sure most of you will agree, maths teachers, while explaining three-dimensional trigonometry and especially space diagonals, this tool really comes in handy. All you do is select the tool, drop the picture there, and explain space diagonals. I will select the color. To show the space diagonal, I'm drawing from one vertex into the other, and this is as easy as that. Students can easily see the connection of what I'm trying to teach. Moving on to another function. Of course, you can insert table, use the ruler and compass. Again, my favorite part, teachers, functions, trigonometric functions. If you want to enter graphs, all you need to do is select the function that you want to display, change the variables here, and exactly you can even teach transformation of graphs as easily as that. Let's demonstrate what I'm trying to say here. I can change a value over here and in fact explain transformation of graphs right here on the screen for students to see very, very clearly. Teachers, how about displaying a mind map? Simple as that. Click flowchart, insert the shape that we want to use, and from there continue drawing the mind map. Choose a shape and draw the mind map. Simple as that. We have an inbuilt tactic board. You can choose between a basketball tactic board or a football one and teach students the exact game tactics. Move the students around if you want to, show them where to stand and how to play the game. So far, this has been a teacher-led lesson. Let's bring the classroom alive. Let's have the classroom thinking. I am going to divide the screen in either you can do it in 2, 3, 4, 6, up to 8 parts. Invite students up front to actually solve problems, discuss ideas, brainstorm ideas simultaneously. While they work, I can actually look into their thinking process, help them out as well. I'm going to invite your students on the board to help me, and we're going to split the screen in 3 parts. Let's split the screen. Here I've done it in 3 different parts. Teachers, each screen has its own tools. Therefore, students can write in different colors. Because it has 50 touch points, each student can write simultaneously. I will call 2 students. Can I have Michael and Rajkumar please come up?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good morning, Michael. That's yours. Rajkumar, that's yours. Michael, I want you to solve this question. Rajkumar, I want you to try this one out. And I will do this one for you all.
Will you do the difficult one?
I don't know which one is difficult. Let's try this out. Let's begin. Can we all start at the same time, please? Are we both ready? Are we all ready? Let's begin then. At the same time, start solving these questions. And I will do the center one for everyone. And while they solve the questions, I can see their thinking process at the same time. Okay, do you want to check that answer, please? Is he correct?
No, correct.
Check this part. Not sure? Michael, thank you for putting up your answer. You've done all your steps really well, but here, I think we need a little help. Rajkumar, can you support his answer here? He wrote plus and minus square root of 2. What should the answer really be? It is plus minus square root of? Square root of 4. The answer is plus minus 2. That's right. Thank you, Michael.
No, I got it. Thank you, teacher.
Well done. Now, right here on the screen, what we have in display is really, really tiny for students to see. We can use the magnifier function to zoom into tiny details or complex diagrams, grab students' attention. That means students who are sitting right behind are also not left out. Teachers, right now, we are on the whiteboard, but let's say I want to go into a presentation, open a file or a document. I can do that from this function. Open the presentation from here itself. Now, furthermore, if you see that I've already opened 9 pages. Now, let's say some student is on page number 1, came into the class a little bit late, wants to see where the lesson began from. Easy as that. We can navigate all of the pages from here. Choose which page we want to begin with, and it displays on the screen. During our lessons, momentum is everything. Using the floating icon, I can pull up a pen if I want to make some annotations, or access multiple things from the floating icon. Use the spotlight, for example, record the screen, freeze the screen. This is completely customizable. On to the most exciting function of WonderHub, its built-in AI features. Watch this, teachers. Enable the AI function, AI identify, circle what needs to be explored, and there you have on the screen AI coming into play. It will explore the topic far more in detail, therefore spark curiosity among students and actually make learning really meaningful. AI Identify has even helped me give applications for differentiation. Let's say I want to insert this on the screen for my students to see. Let me just move this part up here. Select what I want. Insert it on the whiteboard. Increase the size or change the color. And there you have it. We are in the middle of a lesson, explained a concept. I want to do a very quick progress check. AI helps us even generate smart questions from here. So on the same topic, the same concept, I can generate smart questions, choose the level of difficulty to target the students that I need to, and there you have, identify how many questions you want. It will generate the questions. Along with the questions, it will also give the correct answers, thereby providing support to students who may need it, while I can move around in the class and provide differentiation as well. How about we talk to the screen? Let's try that function as well. With its built-in AI, I can actually ask the screen to do functions for me without actually standing on the screen. I can move around in the class and still talk to it. Let's try this out. Open countdown timer. And watch this. There you have the countdown timer. All you need to do is just set it and begin with your activity. Everything is actually recorded automatically. So if there are students who have been absent or want to revisit a concept, or want self-paced learning, or you want to give individualized learning, it's all possible. We can share the screen with our students using the QR. And all they need to do is scan the QR code, and the entire lesson appears on their screen. Once the QR code is on the screen, all I need to do is scan it using my device. Check this, and the entire lesson appears on my screen as well. All that we did on the whiteboard, all that we did on the screen is in my device. Teachers, let's save whatever we did today. We click on the save icon here. We can save our lesson in the form of a picture, a PDF, or the whiteboard. Keeping it as a whiteboard enables us to go back to the lesson and begin from where we had ended today. Here, if we see here, the lesson is already saved. I just need to go there, click, open the lesson, open the whiteboard, and I have the lesson back where I had begun from. Make more changes to it, scroll through the pages, add another page, and start writing again. Teachers, for me, this interactive display, WonderHub, isn't just a piece of technology. It is about teaching better. It helps me explain clearly, engage students, involve them into the learning process, and make learning and teaching visible. The classroom still feels human. It just works smarter. With Hikvision WonderHub, I can definitely say that teaching becomes more immersive, interactive, innovative, and inclusive. And the entire classroom experience finally becomes smarter than ever. Thank you, teachers, for your time today. And thank you for all the efforts that you put in to enhance student learning experiences. Keep learning, keep growing, and happy teaching.
Today, I am going to show you that the Hikvision WonderHub interactive display can be used as a meeting room screen and as an education classroom screen. So to demonstrate this screen as a meeting room screen, I'm going to invite my colleague Michael to help me to demonstrate the screen. So what I heard, Michael, is our Hikvision interactive display is built in with the whiteboard function, and with just one touch, you can write, draw, or brainstorm ideas. So let's demonstrate the screen by writing on the screen and show to the audience how easy it is to write on the interactive display. So the writing is really smooth, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow. Can you open a local document now? Can you show us how to open a local document, which is a file that is saved in the interactive display?
Of course. Menu, open document. Select your folders from here. Which will download. So this is the file we open.
Okay, that's so easy to do it. So I have opened the WonderCast application, and now there is a code which is on the right side of the interactive display. I have to enter that code, MKFCFN, and then I start mirroring. So the laptop is now mirrored on the interactive display. I would request you to show a PowerPoint presentation.
Sure. So we're opening now the PowerPoint. So also we can do like this way. So now it's more easy for me to present. So this is the menu function here, annotation. So you also can select what color you want from here. I will select the color, which is the red color I want. And then I will write on here. Why choose WonderHub? So this is my annotation. So I also can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons here.
WonderCast software is very good for the internal employees of the organization. For external employees, if they want to use wireless connectivity, they can use our dongle. So they just have to connect the dongle to the USB or the Type-C input, and then they just have to press the button. And when you press the button on the dongle, the laptop screen is actually replicated on the interactive display. Michael, now we would like to introduce to the audience the most important feature of our display, which is its built-in AI capabilities. Our interactive display is equipped with 6 TOPS NPU, which is Neural Processing Unit, for enabling fast and efficient AI processing. Can we start by showing the AI identify?
With present. So now we go to the whiteboard. So we would like to write something here, or maybe draw some photos here, and then later that we're going to use AI to identify what exactly it is that.
All right.
So I will write out So let's start to use the AI to search Dubai weather. First, you have the selection function, and then use the AI function to identify what exactly it is. So here comes the result with the AI searching.
So Michael wrote about the Dubai weather on the whiteboard, and he circled the Dubai weather on the whiteboard and used AI to give more information about the Dubai weather.
That's right.
Great.
So even with some photos and videos for your reference.
I also heard that we have an AI feature on our interactive display where you can actually talk to our interactive display. Talk and then also check the information on the interactive display. Can you please demonstrate this?
Of course. First, we have to go to the sidebar, and we're going to use the AI function here. We call it AI Omit.
Show me Burj Al Arab. Wow, this is so good. It has given me all the information about Burj Al Arab and also some images and videos of Burj Al Arab. Let's try it once again, Michael.
Sure.
Show me information about Al Ola in Saudi Arabia.
Wow, it shows a good result. Even is that Aula. But he's giving the right name, Aula.
Wow, it auto-corrected me. Wow, and took us to the right images and the right videos. Thank you so much.
So now I know why you want to talk to the robot.
Absolutely.
Since it's more useful than what I am here.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That is another function. We call it AI meeting or AI note. So now I already switch on AI note function. So what I'm talking here now is already start to record and give you the script.
So Michael, let's demonstrate to our audience on how to use the AI meeting recorder function.
Yeah.
Okay, in today's meeting,
Right.
we're going to discuss the launch of our premium XYZ product. I would like to ask you, for launching our XYZ product in Middle East and Africa, which is the most important strategic market?
Well, I would like to say United Arab Emirates and also Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. They are the two biggest countries which we should focus.
Very good. How do you plan to promote our XYZ product in these strategic markets?
For me, I would like to do firstly, we have to list out all the important clients from these countries.
Yeah.
And secondly, we should apply enough sample for those clients to test. And third, we should launch roadshow or seminar with the client.
Right, that's very good. I would also like to ask you, marketing department will also play a very important role. What role do you think the marketing department will play for promoting the XYZ product?
Very good addiction. Exactly. So I think the marketing department, we can get the help from them. For example, like social media, we have to let them to prepare the media, a video especially, and poster also. And we should choose our platform like LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever. We should launch all this material to the social media. This is what my opinion.
Very good. That sounds like a plan. So now can you show Michael how to save this recording and how to show the minutes of the meeting to our audience?
Sure, with pleasure. So now we have saved and the AI will generate all the minutes for us. How's the result? Can we check it?
So what I can see here in the AI meeting recorder, the AI meeting recorder has recorded the complete audio of our speech in the meeting, and it is also given a word-by-word account of whatever we have spoken,
That's right.
and it has classified the speakers,
Exactly.
so in a word-by-word account, and I can now here see the entire meeting summary. So you don't need to make the minutes of the meeting.
That's right.
The interactive display will make the minutes of the meeting for you and will also record the audio of the meeting and also give you a word-by-word account of what was spoken in the meeting with the speaker identification.
Exactly. So I just highlight to see the structure of all the minutes we have.
Right. This minutes of the meeting is so well structured. It talks about the overview of the topic. It talks about the main content that we discussed.
Exactly.
And then it finally also talks about the corresponding topics that we have discussed in this meeting. So Michael, I think it's now very important to demonstrate two very important features that people use in a meeting room.
That's right.
So our speaker tracking function and the auto framing function. I'll open the Zoom link now and I'm going to invite one of my colleagues to join me in this Zoom meeting to demonstrate the speaker follow function and the auto framing function. So I'm also going to enable something called the BYOM. Yeah, so when I click when I enable the BYOM, the camera and the microphone of the interactive display takes over. Good afternoon, Shafi. Are you able to hear us?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Good afternoon, everyone there.
Good afternoon. So, Shafi, we are going to discuss a very hypothetical situation now. We are going to discuss about our XYZ launch on Monday. So we wanted to know whether you're ready with all the documentation and with all the data sheets required to submit this.
Yes, sir. We are ready with all the presentation, data sheets, and manuals. Okay. Now I'm preparing the file thing, which is this is basically to bring it in a vegetable format. So you can say that we are almost ready to go ahead.
I'm so happy to know that. Michael, do you want to say anything to Shafi?
So I would like to know what we're going to do with this all material. So you have any plans? So who we're going to do the presentation for the client or anything like that?
So basically, we have to complete the schedule lineup, okay? Then we have a schedule lineup, and we are going to present to the audience, and also we will show what is ready. And at the same time, we are going to upload it on our website, and then we will share the link to in the presentation so that everyone can see that this is going live on the website also.
Thank you. So this, by having this meeting, we were able to demonstrate the speaker follow function.
Yeah.
So I request you to stop the speaker follow function now, Michael, and switch on the auto framing function.
Sure. Let me switch on now. So the function.
Yeah, so we are going to show the auto framing function now, Shafi. So just be there. We will tell you when you have to go. So now this is the auto framing function. So me and Michael are sitting in the meeting room having a discussion with Shafi, my colleague. And in the auto framing function, since we both are in the meeting room, the camera has put us both in the same frame. So Michael, would you like to say something to Shafi?
Yeah, exactly. So now I feel like in this meeting room, so our cameras works very good because moving to auto framing. Both me and Mr. Sachin in the same places when we have discussion here. Yeah, Mr. Safi, can you hear us very clear? And also, can you see our face and at the same time? And our mouth always capture at the same time?
Yes, your audio is crystal clear. It's very much audible, and I can see you very clearly. Camera's moving smoothly when you speak. At the same time, it is also basically doing the framing. So this pitch is working fantastic, and I feel this is the best in the market now.
I'm happy that we were able to demonstrate the speaker tracking function and the auto framing function to our participants. I would like to thank you, Michael, for helping me to show a wonderful presentation about our WonderHub. We were able to show today how the WonderHub transforms the meeting space.
With pleasure and very happy, to share all this information to our audience.
Right. I believe with all these features, Hikvision WonderHub transforms meeting rooms into a truly collaborative space. Life in meetings has never been convenient, efficient, and smart ever before. So let's all have a wonderful experiences with our WonderHub.